Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the following number theory question from AMC 2016, and this is problem number 15. So what is the largest power of 2 that is a divisor of 13 to the 4th minus 11 to the 4th? Okay, so we're asked to basically find the factorization of this, or at least how many powers of 2 we have in this subtraction problem right here. And so obviously they're not going to expect you to find 13 to the 4th or 11 to the 4th and then subtract them because those numbers are just too big. So we know there must be a smarter way. So the first thing I think of is when you have to factor something like this, especially because I see a difference, I know that I need to make this into the product of some numbers. And one way I know how to do that is using difference of squares, right? Difference of squares is, so if I have x squared minus y squared, that's equal to x minus y times x plus y. Okay, so let's see how we could use that here. 13 to the 4th and 11 to the 4th are both perfect squares, and that means we could factor it as 13 squared, let's say minus 11 squared, times 13 squared plus 11 squared. Okay, so I don't have a factorization for my second term, or the second part of the product, 13 squared plus 11 squared. But the first parentheses is another difference of squares. So this is just 13 minus 11 times 13 plus 11 times 13 squared plus 11 squared. Okay, and now this is a lot more manageable because I know the values of all of these. 13 minus 11, that's just 2. 13 plus 11, 24. And then this is 169 plus 121. And so simplifying this further, we get 2 times 24 times, this adds up to 290. Now this product right here, I need to find how many factors of 2 there are in this product. And we can do that by looking at each part of this product individually. So 2 is just 2 to the 1, that's easy. 24, how many 2's does this have? It's divisible by 8, but not 16, right? So it's 2 cubed, and then it's times 3, but we don't really care about the 3. We only want to count the 2's. And then lastly, 290. This is, if we divide it by 2, we get 2 times 145. This right here is odd, so we don't really care about it. So ultimately, the product of these 3 is 2 to the 1 times 2 cubed times 2. And remember, there are other parts to this, but we don't care about those because we only want to find the powers of 2. So this comes out to 2 to the 6th, or sorry, not 2 to the 6th, 2 to the 5th is equal to 32. Going back up to our answer choices, we see that corresponds to letter C, and so that is the answer to this question. So if you have any questions on how we solve this, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe really helps us out. But that should be all for today. So thank you all for joining, and I will see you again in another video tomorrow.